just sponge it. So does it smell like BMW? No. But does it smell like new BMW? Yes. What is going on, guys? And today we're going to be talking about the lotion, conditioner, leather care kit, set, whatever you want to call it. But this came from the BMW. The bottle, 8 ounce of the fluid or conditioner inside is made in Germany, and the bottle itself came from Germany as well, with that little solution inside. The box and contaminants of the box were made in USA and been packed in USA, which is we get in three sponges like those guys and 5 of some type of towels, kind of paper towels, but they are made for application and for following the application procedure, which is on the box, which is super easy. Apply it, buff it, or remove the leftovers and then buff it, and you have great results. I'm sitting inside of the car. I don't want to leave it because you know what? You know why? It smells awesome. Yes, a little bit pricey compared to some other brands. For example, Griot's Garage, which is I made huge mistake. I did use this solution for my interior and I regret it. And I regret it many times for past 2 months. Since I apply it, since I purchased the car, I clean it, I add that 3-in-1 spray, Lux, whatever stuff like that. It's really strong smell of something like you purchased the brand new sofa, the leather sofa, and a huge one. Pretty much like the half of the living room area is covering the leather products from the same company, and it's really strong smell of leather. Overpowered, it's really strong. It smells, it's too much. I decided to stop buying a BMW and pay 18 bucks for the original smell. And then I went to the dealer shop and asked them to test. And like, it smells like shampoo, or your favorite shampoo, and really expensive one, with a little bit of cologne. And a representative told me, no, this smells like new car. And no, this is not gonna get you the same smell as the brand new 3 Series, but it's gonna get you that really soft and fine smell. But so far, I am so satisfied with the smell inside of the car. It's so good that you start thinking that drinking black coffee, if you love the coffee with cream and sugar, I don't know if a lot of people drink coffee with a cream and sugar, but if you love that way, that's gonna be your cream, and basically that's gonna be your sugar. Those two components make your experience driving inside of those cars like totally different. It's so light, but it's so noticeable whenever you try it once, and then like, I gotta get it more of that. Gonna also keep your leather in a good condition, since it's conditioner, and gonna get you that, I don't know, relaxation. Just you're gonna feel yourself like you are belong here. That's your piece right here, and you wanted to like relax here. You want to listen to some music, you want to drive it to work, you want to drive it to grocery, you want to just drive it, just casually stay inside of your car, and you don't really want it to go somewhere else because it's super comfortable here, like in your favorite chair, because the combination of smells and a combination of the seats and the steering wheel and everything what you like, and so nice, you know. But after all, you want to put the cherry on the top of the cake, and that cherry, it's kind of for a look and for a little bit of taste. Kind of, you're gonna eat it, you're gonna feel its sweetness, but that's gonna be only for one bite. And that's what that product makes for this car. It's gonna get you just a little bit of that thin layer or the line of that satisfaction of being inside of that car, and appreciation for spending $20 and understanding that was the product you was always looking for. Same as air fresheners. I own 2 of them. I had one in X5, then I purchased another one because they smell awesome. the first I didn't get it because it wasn't that strong, and you're not kind of feeling it right away because it's so soft, it's smooth. But after a little bit, whenever that stuff is sitting inside of your car, you're getting more and more taste of it. Like I said, the smell is really soft. It's distributing all over the car, and in the morning, you get inside of the car and you feel that really nice smell of the product, and you understand, yes, that's what I wanted to feel. Just you're getting relaxed, you just want to drive the car, you just want to be here, you just want to spend some time with it, like with your girlfriend. Whenever you love it, you're gonna love it. You just want to spend as much time with it as possible. So I would say those two items are must to have: the air freshener and the BMW Leather Care Lotion Conditioner, however you want to call it. But I find myself to just enjoying to being here and just experience that experience. Anyway guys, it was a quite long video. I hope you did like that review, and if so, just put that like button in there, subscribe my channel, and leave me a comment below. I'll see you next one.